Fine. In the last session, we have seen some examples on EX editor commands. So these are the EX edited commands. So these commands we can execute in EX editor. So it is a command line editor. How to open this command line editor in VI editor? Just by pressing colon. Okay. So you can execute any of the command, and this is the command form or appearance or syntax. Yes. So colon, address and command. So this command will be executed on the specified address. Here address is optional, it is not mandatory. If you specify address, this command will be executed on that particular range, okay, or on that particular address. So we have four kinds of addresses: single address, multiple address, range and nested. Okay, fine. In this session we will discuss about regular expressions. So these regular expressions are very important for the coming sessions. So our next topic is grep command. Grep, we can say it is a command or utility. We have powerful utilities in Unix operating system like grep, sed, awk or nwk. Okay, so these are powerful utilities in Unix operating system. These utilities, okay, while writing some scripting, okay, programming, using these utilities you can complete your task within one line. Suppose you need some task, okay, so if you want to write Unix statements, you need to write some set of statements. Instead of that, if you use these utilities, that can be finished in one line. Okay, so it will reduce a lot of coding part, and these are very powerful tools. Using these you can write effective programming, effective scripting. 1 minute. Okay, so using these tools you can write your program. So here in these utilities we'll use some regular expressions to filter the data or to search for some particular data in a file. Okay, so for that you need regular expression. So before going to discuss about all these, it is better to know about what is regular expression. Okay, so regular expression is nothing but it is a pattern. Okay, so it is a pattern consisting of some set of characters or sequence of characters. Okay, and these sequence of characters are used for matching or search. Okay, matching purpose. So when the match is found, it is true, otherwise it will be false. Okay, suppose take some example. There is a word computer. Okay, so this is my text or file name. Assume that it is a text or file name. Okay, so here currently I am assuming it as a text, some string, and this is my regular expression k, just a single character k. This is my regular expression. So this regular expression is nothing but, the definition is like somewhat like, a regular expression is a pattern consisting of some sequence of characters. So here I have only one character. What are the different type? What we call this and what are different kinds, that we'll see later. So this is my regular expression. So this character will be compared with this character, first one. So is the match is found? No. Is the match is found? No. Is the match is found? No. Here also not found. So when you compare this character with the rest of all characters in the string, means when you compare this regular expression with the string or file name, whatever it may be. So if the match is found, then it will be true, otherwise it is false. Okay, so this kind, okay, this is nothing but some regular expression. So it is like a mathematical expression only. So suppose if you take some mathematical expression, what it contains, suppose take this statement a plus b. So this is some mathematical expression. Here the expression meaning is right side, means this is the equal to symbol, right hand side we have some expression. So that expression is a plus b. If you take this mathematical statement, here c equals to a plus b. So right side of this equal to symbol, there is one mathematical expression, that is a plus b. Here this contains some operators and operands. So here the operator is plus. Here the operator is plus. So we have operators and operands a and b. These two are operands. Okay. Here also regular expression contains atoms and operators. So it is a combination of atoms and operators. Okay. So this regular expression is nothing but it contains some sequence of characters that match against the text. So this is a character. Here we are using only one kind. We have different kinds of atoms. Okay. We have different kinds of atoms as well as different kinds of operators. Okay. So this combination is nothing but regular expression. It is like mathematical expression only. So this regular expression is made of atoms and operators. Atoms and operators. So here these atoms specify what we are looking for. Okay, like K. We are looking for K here in this particular text. Okay, and operators, which are generally these are optional, not mandatory. Okay, these are optional, but this combines with atoms to make the complete regular expressions. We'll see what are different kinds of atoms available and operators. In this session, we'll see different atoms in these regular expressions. So we have 5 kinds of different atoms. One is single character atoms. Next one, dot. Okay, so that is period symbol. We'll see what does it mean. So next, class, anchor, and back reference. Back reference, that is nothing but backslash. Okay, fine. So here class can be represented in 2 square brackets. Okay, so anchors. So we'll see one by one. So these are atoms and regular expressions we use, and another one is operators. This we'll discuss in the next session. So first one is single atom. So what is this single atom? Single atom is nothing but the example which we have seen. See, suppose I have some set of strings or names, file names or whatever it may be, and regular expression. So we are trying to apply this regular expression on this string. Okay. So my string value is suppose hello, and I am using one single atom, that is regular expression. Suppose take A. Okay. So first this regular expression A tries to match with every character in the string. So is it matching here? No. So this will be false. Is it matching? No. Here is it matching? So this regular expression is not matching with any of the string character. So that's why the entire result of this one is false and you won't get any output. Okay. Suppose my string is like, so this is the first one. This is my second example. In this second example, I have 2 lines, hello and welcome. Okay. Hello and welcome. So these are the 2 lines present in this file. Assume that these are the 2 lines present in this file in the second example. And here the regular expression is I am using single atom, that is O. Okay. Or we'll take E. E also present. Okay. M. We'll take M. So here first it will take the first line. Here this regular expression will be compared or matches with this characters in the string. So here this M is not matching with any of the character in this first line. any of the character in this first line. So first line result is false. First line result is false. And if you take second line, so this regular expression is compared with second line. Okay, so is there any character present in this string? Yes, it is present here. Okay, so first it will check with this W. No, it is false. E false, L false, C false, O false, M. Yes, it is matching here. So here for this second line it is true, right? So this line will be returned. When the match is found, that line will be returned. Okay. Well, so this is single atom. Okay. Next, we'll see dot and class. After these two, we'll see some examples. Okay. Next, dot atom, that is period symbol. So this dot atom is nothing but dot will refer any character, any one character. Okay, it means I'll take the same example but with dot. Here my regular expression is suppose L dot. Okay, now see the result. I'm going to remove this result. Okay, now the regular expression is L dot, means there should be a letter L and next to letter should be there. Okay, so if it is only L, suppose the string is like this. Okay, okay, this is my string. Now this is the regular expression. Okay, see what it is going to return. So first this L will be compared with the string. So here this is first example. So is it matching? No. Is it matching with E? No. Is it matching with space? No. Is it matching with I? No. Is it matching with S? No. Is it matching with space? No. Is it matching with L? Yes, it is matching. But immediately it will check the next character. Okay, so it can be anything. The next character can be anything. But what it is present here, end of the file, or suppose if you say enter, some new line is there. Some new line is there. So this, okay. So here this file contains two lines. First line is ending here at L and second line is some empty line. Okay, so this L is matching here, but there is no other character present in this except new line. So dot will not be compared with new line character. So there should be some other character. It can be alphabet, numeric or special character like anything. Suppose L%L. Now the match is found. Okay, but present in this case it is not matching. So the result will be false. Even though L is matching, in the dot position means after L there should be minimum one character. That character can be anything. It can be an alphabet, it can be some digit, I mean numeric digits, or it can be some special character, whatever it may be, but there should be some character. So, but here in this case there is no character, that's the why the result is false. Okay, suppose I am changing this text like L hash. Okay, now see this L is matching at this position and there is a character after this L. Okay, there is a character. So the match is found. The entire result of this expression is true and this line is going to return. Okay, so this is nothing but dot. Dot means any single character, any one character. In that position, any one character. See the next example on the same. Suppose here I am using H dot I. Okay, now it means there should be a character H. After H there must be two characters and these two characters can be anything, and after these two characters the next character should be I. Okay, this is the regular expression. Here the regular expression meaning is first character should be H. I mean, it should match with any of the string characters. Okay, so first it should be H. After H, rest of the two characters can be anything, and after these two characters there should be I. Then only the entire result will be true. Here, check here, H, as it is matching. So the next two characters, there should be two characters, as two characters are present, E and space. So that character can be anything. It can be special character or digit or alphabet, uppercase or lowercase, anything. After these two characters, there should be I. So the entire result will be true. Okay. Suppose if I take the same case as some Q. Now in this case, the result will be false. The reason is up to here the match is found, but Q is not there in this string. Okay, so the result will be false, right? So this is dot. Now in the second example, suppose if I say like take some example m dot. Okay, so here is there any m in this first line? First it will take the first line and it will search for this m. Okay, is there any m present in this? No. Next it will go to next line in the file. So is there any m present in this string? Yes, here it is. Okay, after this m there should be at least one character. That character can be anything except new line character. What is new line character? If you are familiar with C language, the new line character is \n. Okay, so this is the new line character. So this is only single character. New line character is single character. So that's why we can place in single quote. So this is only one character, that is new line character. So in this dot position, it can be any character, means alphabets, numerics, special characters, anything except new line character. Okay, fine. So here E is there. So the result will be true. The result will be true, and this second line is going to return as a result. Okay, fine. Next one, class. Class. So what is this class atom? So class atom is nothing but, so if you take dot, it matches with any single character. Okay, class is nothing but this class atom is like, suppose if you specify some characters. First let me show example. I say A, E, I, O, U. Okay, means in your string it matches with any of these character. If any of these characters present in the string, then the result will be true. If it is dot, only one character, that can be anything. But here any of your string character matches with any of this class item or class atom, then that will be true. Okay, so let us take some example and see. Okay, class atom. Here I am saying, suppose the regular expression is like, let me clear this previous result. Okay, now see the regular expression. I am using a class atom like A, E, I, O, U. Fine. See here, this is my string or file content. Okay, so here if this file contains two lines, one is, first line is some text and second line is some empty line. Okay, here the regular expression is class atom. In square brackets we specified some set of characters. This any of the string character matches with any of the regular expression atom or regular expression item, then the result will be true. So suppose take this first one. Is A present in this string? No. E present in this string? E present in the string? Yes, E is there. So the match is found, the result will be true, and this is going to return. Okay. Suppose my second line in the file contains some text like, okay, this is my second line in the file. So after this first line is matching, E is matching, I is matching. So if anyone is matching with any of the string character, then the result will be true and this line is going to return. So now take the second line. Is A matching with any of the character? Okay, instead of A, we'll take some other character, www. Okay, World Wide Web. Okay, so fine. So here is the A is matching with any of the character? No. E is matching with any of the character? No. I? No. O? No. U? No. So it is not. None of the character is matching with none of the string character. Okay, then the result will be false. So it will be false. So this is class atom. So we'll try to see some examples on these. Actually, these regular expressions generally we use with grep command, set command, awk command, okay, or utilities we can say. Okay, so grep is a utility which is used to search for content either in the list of files or in a file. Okay, based on the usage, it will search for the specified content. Okay, so based on the regular expression we can say. See here, first we'll see single character, right? Let us change into our directory CSR. Now here we have some set of files. I'll take only one file and I'll try to use these regular expressions on this file. I'll take names.txt. Yes, here we have some set of words. See this? Here this file contains some set of names. Okay, we'll try to use these regular expressions along with the grep utility. Okay, grep is a command or utility used to search for content, okay, or file item, or strings we can say. See, I want to search for some letter W. Okay, if this character is present, we'll do one thing, we'll try to change these like names.txt. Here I'm going to place in next line line by line. Okay, now it will be more. Now see the file content, names.txt. Yeah, this is the file information. I am using single atom, single character along with grep command. Here I am saying A. I want to search for letter A, character A in this file. Okay, names.txt. So here grep command name space your regular expression space on which, okay, you want to search for this particular regular expression in a file or all files, you have to specify. So space, I want to search for this regular expression in this file. Okay, that's why I'm giving the file name. Okay, we'll discuss more about this command in the coming sessions. Fine, press enter. See here, A is found in this particular line, A is found in this particular line, A is found in this particular line as well as in the last line. So that's why it returned all the lines. Okay, now we will change the regular expression. Instead of A, I am taking V. Now see the output. Here it is returning only one line. It is giving only one line. The reason is it will search for this single character atom in this file. Is V is matching with any of the character? No. Is it matching with any of the character? Yes, last V is there. Okay, so this name ending with V. So is there any V in this line? No. Any V in this line? No. So this is single character atom regular expression. Okay. So this in this regular expression we are using only atoms, not operators. Operators we will discuss in the next session. So here we are using only atom. That atom is single character atom. Okay, fine. Next one we can say suppose AV. I can say AV. It means two characters. Those two characters must be A and V. If this match is found, then that line is, that particular text is going to return as output. So names.txt, no output. Why? Because see, take this AV, first it will check for this A. Is there any character A? Yes, it is there. But what is the next character? It is N. It is N, not V. So the result is false. That's why this line is not returned. Next, it will take the second line. Is there any character A present? Yes, it is there. But what is the next character? H. So false. So is there any A present in this? Yes, it is there. But next character is D, not V. If it is V, this will be returned. So next character is V. So here it will search for AV as a single item. Okay. Not either of A or V. Okay. So it will not search for either A or V. Okay. It should be A and next character should be V. Then only the result will be true. If we use some class like, see, I am placing these two in a square brackets. So this is nothing but class atom. This is nothing but class atom. Now see the output. See, all the lines are written. Why? Because see, in this first A is present, V is not there. In the first line, A is present. That is the reason it is written. Either if any of the character class item is matches with any of the string item, then the result will be true. Okay. So here A is matching. In the first line, A is matching. In the second line, A, V, both are matching. So if anyone matches, the result is true. Here A is matching. Here also A is matching. Okay. Suppose take like example Z. Okay. Now see, no result. Why? Because the class item Z is not matching with any of the string item. Any of the file content. Okay. So that's why no output. So these are class items, and we'll see what is dot. Okay. Fine. So here I am using like grep space a dot, means first letter should be A and next letter can be anything. First letter should be A and next letter can be anything, then it is going to return. So it will return almost all lines from this file names.txt. Okay. The reason is after this A, N is there, any character. So that's why this line is sorry, the result is true and this line is returned. So here after A, H is there. So that's why this line is returned. So here J, N. So here different letters are there after A. So here in this case N, in this case H, in this case D, J, N. So that dot refers any character, not only alphabet. It can be a some special character or it can be some space, anything. Okay. Just I'm going to change this as a part of cross check. See, here I am replacing this N with some percentile and check the same grep a dot. Okay. See, here it returned. This last line is returned. So here in this, after this A, this character can be an alphabet, it can be special character, it can be, you can say some numerics as well. Okay, numbers, anything. But it should not be new line character. New line character is nothing but After Sanjay, we press enter key. Means last here some new line character is there after Y. Okay, but this is not visible, but the character is there. Okay, so already we checked with word count command. Okay, fine. Even this new line character is counted over there. Okay, fine. So I'm going to change this criteria like I'm saying Y dot. Okay, so before going to see this Y dot, let us check only Y. Okay, so this is single atom, so it will return only one line. Why? Because only Y is present in this line. I am saying Y dot. Now Y dot means after Y there should be one character at least. Here after Y, what is the character present? New line character. Okay, so but this dot will not be compared with new line, except new line it will compare with any other. Okay, so that's why the result is empty. How it is checking? It's not supposed to check. Oh. Let us check, maybe some space is there after this Sanjay. We will check names.txt. Yes, some space is there. Okay, I am going to remove this space. Yes, now no space. Here also some space is there. Here also some space is there. No space here. Okay, so here no space. Now we removed all spaces after the names. Now check this command y dot. Okay, no output. Okay, so this dot will not be compared with new line character. Except new line, any character can be present in the place of dot. Okay, so this is dot atom. So these are the atoms. Next one, anchor. Okay, and back reference. Okay, so these are the two atoms. I'll see these two. So atom is nothing but, so sorry, anchor is nothing but, we have some different kinds of anchors. Okay, for beginning, suppose I want to search for some text, the lines who starts with letter A. Okay, see in this file I want to get lines who starts with S only, means I should get output Sanjay and Sandeep. Okay, means beginning character should be something or ending character should be something, like I want to get all names or all lines whose ending letter is some Y, then it should return only this name. Okay, so for that we use anchors. Anchors are nothing but, it's like atoms only, but they search for beginning character, ending character based on the anchor we specify. So we have four kinds of anchors, and those are cap symbol. Okay, if you use this cap symbol in VI editor, if you use this cap symbol in VI editor, this is, it will take the cursor to the beginning of the line, similar to 0. Okay, but we are using in regular expressions. If it is in regular expression, this anchor is nothing but, okay, sorry, this anchor cap symbol is nothing but beginning of line, beginning of line. For end of line, in VI editor, dollar symbol, same symbol here also. Okay, end of line. If you use dollar in VI editor, if you are in command mode and if you press dollar, it will take the cursor or move the cursor to the end of line. But here we are using in regular expression. Okay, so it will search at the end of every line. Okay, so next anchor is slash less than, means every word beginning of every word. It will search for every word, starting letter of the word. And next one, backslash greater than. So this is end of every word. Here also every word, or you can say word. Okay, so these are 4 anchors. So this will search for beginning of the line, end of the line, beginning of every word, end of every word. It means so first we will see cap. I'll take this to next line and say some, these are some examples, and we will see regular expressions, how it works. Okay, so this is the file content. This is the file content, and if I use regular expression like cap a, okay, means it will search for every line in the file first letter whether it is a or not. So here this file contains 2 lines and this is the first line and second line. Okay, is this particular first line, first character is a? No. So here the result of this first one is false. So this is not going to return. So it will take the second line. Is the first character is a? No. So the result will be false. Is there any line present in this file? No. This is end of file. Okay. So this file is going to return nothing. Okay. Suppose take here cap h. Okay. So first it will take the first line in the file. Is the first character starting with capital H? Yes. So the result will be true. Here it will take the next line. It don't stop here. It will search for end of the file till the end of the file. It will take next line in the file. Is it starting with capital H? No. So the result will be false. So this line is not going to return. Is there any line present in this file? No. So this is end of file. So it is not going to return. Okay, we'll see some example. See grep cap, suppose s, small s. Unix is case sensitive. Okay, names.txt. Before this, let me clear the screen. No, we have one file names.txt. So this is the file content. I am using a regular expression with anchor. Okay, so that anchor is cap anchor, that is it will search for beginning of line. Grep see s, okay, s names.txt. I am searching for this s beginning the line. It means the lines who starts with small s. Search for lines who starts with small s. Okay, it is going to return nothing. The reason is there are some lines starts with s but capital S. Okay, Unix is case sensitive. Upper and lower are different. So instead of small s, if I say capital S, now it will return the lines starts with letter S. Starts with letter S. Capital S. Okay, so this is anchor cap symbol. Okay, now take another example like I want to search for lines whose line end with H. Okay, then you can say $H. $H means it will search for lines ending character H, small h. See the result. Okay, okay, we'll check this later. So here this is beginning with H, beginning with S. In this example we are seeing beginning lines beginning with S. Okay, so ending is not working here. I will check it later. Fine. When we discuss grep command, that time we'll see more examples on this. Like suppose I want to here only one word per line is present. I will try to change this. Like I'm trying to add more lines, more words. Fine. Just I'm saving this and I'm adding some empty lines here. Okay. So these are some empty lines. If you see the file content names.txt, so this is the file content. Okay. Now in this file content, see I want to search for some words starting with G. Okay, then the command will be like grep. You can use this anchor backslash less than. Okay, backslash less than. So this will search for words beginning with suppose say G, capital G. Okay, so first it will take the file first line. It will search every word first character, means S will be compared with G, S will be compared with G, only every word first character. R will be compared with G and G will be compared with G, S, J. Okay, every word first character will be compared with this letter G. Okay, if the match is found, then that line is going to return. Okay, this is not working. No. So because of editor maybe it's not working, but you can search with this. Okay, so this will search for every word. This will search for every word beginning character is G or not. Okay, so similarly backslash greater than suppose some J, every word ending character is say Y. Okay, Y or not, it will search. Okay, it is not, it is actually it's supposed to return this line, but it is not returning. We'll check it later. So this is the ending letter of every word is Y or not, beginning word begins with G or not, it will search like this in the file. Okay, fine. See here, if I say ls minus lrt, see here, if I use ls minus lrt, it is going to return all files and directories, all files and directories. But I want to see only directories. I want to search for only directories, not files. Means how can we differ directory and file? A file starting letter, I mean this in this permissions, first one will be hyphen for regular files. Okay, general files. For directories it will be D, right? So first letter is D. Now here I am saying like ls minus lrt, the result I am sending it to grep, and here I am using regular expression, that is D, anchor cap symbol and letter D, means line ls minus lrt means it is going to return list of files and directories, long listing. Okay, so every line it will check for first letter is D or not. If it is D, it will return, means only we will get the list of directories, only we will get the list of directories, not files. If it is DOS operating system, we have an option with dir command, dir/ad, it will display only directories. In Unix operating system, you can use this for getting only directories, not files. Okay, suppose you want to get only files, then you can use this. It will return only files, not directories. See, here it returned only files. Okay, if you use like this, okay, let me clear the screen. Suppose if you use like this, A means it will search every line, and if A is there, that line will be returned. See here, in this line A is there. Okay, suppose you don't remember the file name fully, okay, then you can use like this also. So in the listing, we are filtering like only when A is present, that line is going to return. So all these lines having some A, character A. Okay, so this is regular expression, single character regular expression. Okay, the highlighted one. In this way we can use also. Okay, fine. We'll try to see more examples on class. This is a frequently used one. Okay, suppose the example I can say like, suppose a regular expression, suppose I want to search for A to D. Okay, then the regular expression will be like this. So it will search for, this is like a range. Okay, some range. So A to D means, it means A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. So it will search for any of these character in the file. If it is present, it is going to return. Okay. We'll check on names.txt. Okay. The regular expression is like grep space. I'm saying some range. I'm using some range like A to B. Means if A is present or B is present or C or D, if any of this character is present in this file, then that line will be returned. See, almost all lines. Okay, I am using like V to Z. Okay, now see the result. V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, all the, if any of the character present, then that line will be returned. Okay, so here this is the range V to Z. Between these V to Z, if any of the character present in the file, that line will be returned. Okay, so this is some kind of range. And next one, suppose I want to search grep for digits. So I can say 0 to 9. If 0 to 9 present in the file, then that line will be returned. Here no 0 to 9 numerics are present in this file. Okay, next one, suppose I can say like, see here it refers two characters. First character should be A, and second character, first character can be A to Z, second character can be 0 to 9. So two characters matching, first character can be A to Z, second character can be 0 to 9. So here if you use this particular regular expression, then the result will be empty. The reason is A is present in this file, but after this A, next character is not 0 to 9. Okay, let us change this file like, I'm going to save this. Now use the same Now we change the file content. Okay, so in the last line, in this percentile symbol position, we replace it with some numeric. Now check this command. Okay, first two letter can be alphabet, next two letter should be a digit. Only one line matching with this requirement, that is last line. So that's why only this line is returned. Okay, so this is also one kind of regular expression for multiple characters. Okay, suppose if I say, suppose 2 to 4 and second one is some 0 to 9. Okay, what does it mean? First letter can be 2 to 4, any of these. Okay, so starting with 2 and second number should be 0 to, it can be 0 to 9, means 20 to 49. If any of this number is present in the file, any of this number is present in the file, then the match is true. The match will be found and that line will be returned. It means first two letters should be, it can be from 2 to 9. So that's why starting with 2 up to 4. Okay. So second one 0 to 9. So second one 0 to 9 means the number between 20 to 49, if it is present in the string or file, then that particular line will be, match is found and that line will be returned. Okay, so this is the meaning of this example, 20 to 49. Suppose the regular expression is like, we can use backslash also. Suppose 0 to 9 backslash, suppose some character a b, then here the characters, okay, the character can be either 0 to 9 or ab. Okay, 0 to 9 or AB, only one character, but that character can be 0 to 9 or it can be AB, means all the digits from 0 to 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B. Okay, if your file contains any of these characters, then the match is found and that line will be returned. Okay, so this backslash is like optional. Okay, either this or this found in the file, then the result will be true and that line will be returned. Okay, so either of these is found, then it will be true. Okay, let us check this example on the same file. Here we have last line 6. Okay, in this last line, names.txt, see, in this last line we have some numeric value, here some characters are there, right? I am using regular expression like grep, the regular expression is 0 to 9 slash abc, okay, space your file name, that is names.txt. So if your file contains, I mean every line, it will check every line. If line contains 0 to 9 or ABC, then the result will be true. So it will return almost all lines. Okay. Now I am changing this regular expression like Z. Now see, no line contains Z, but there is one line which is having numeric 6. So this regular expression will return this line, last line, only last line. Okay, why? Because this first one is matching. If anyone is matching, then the result will be true. Okay, if anyone is matching, result will be true. Okay, so these are some more examples on the class atom. So based on the requirement, we can specify the atom. Okay, so here in this, if you say, suppose what is cap, cap symbol? Cap is nothing but this anchor is, it will search for the beginning line. Okay, if you use in a like in this class item, the cap symbol, it is like negation. Okay, means except suppose here I am using like AB. Your file may contain any character, but it should not be A or B. If this match is found, then the line will be returned. So it is not AB. If your file contains not A or B, then the result will be true. Okay, let us check this. If you use as an anchor, that will be different, like it will search first line, line first character, but here not, it is like not symbol, it is not operator in Unix operating system, not operator. Okay, when we see scripting, that time we'll discuss about operators. We have arithmetic operators, logical operators. Okay, so this is not operator. See this grep. Okay, not, I am using cap 0 to 9. I am saying 0 to 9. I am using some range 0 to 9. Means, see this first line. Is this first line contains any 0? No. So the match is found. Not 0 to 9. Yes, 0 to 9 is not present in this line. So the result is true. This line is, result is true. This line is going to return. Take second line. Is there any numeric 0 to 9 present in this? No. So this line is going to return. So this is empty line. So it will be returned. Here, no. So the match is found. No 0 to 9 is present in this line. So this will be returned. Here 0 to 9. Yes. Number 6 is there. So this line will not be returned. Why? Because it is false. The match is found and this match is not found and the result is false. So this will not be returned. So except this last line, everything will be returned. Except this last line. Oh, the reason is here some spaces and all present. Only 6 is found. See, only new lines are not returning. Only these lines are not returning. The reason is here some capital S is present. Okay, not 0 to 9 means other characters are present. So that's why it is returned. Okay, if you want to change this one like not A to Z or not capital A to Z, capital Z. Okay, see here only the match is found because of space. Because of the space, these lines are returning and 6 is matching here. Okay, so other than these characters, even we can avoid space as well, then these lines will not be returned. Okay, so this is like inverse. When that particular not is found, then only except AB, if anything is present, then that will be returned. Like suppose here I am using some VZ. Okay, so if VZ is not present in the line, then that lines will be returned. Okay, so V or Z. So the reason is here these characters are not VZ. That's the reason it is displaying. Okay, but here it is matching. But some other characters which are not, which are satisfying this condition, that's the reason it is going to return all the lines. Okay, So this is cap symbol, and here the red colored highlighted one are the matching found, and this one is, see here, V, not V or Z, means V is there, that's why it is not change the color. Okay, fine. So these are the anchors, class, dot and single atoms. Okay, in the next session we'll continue with operators. What is an operator and what are different operators in regular expressions we can use. That will continue in the next session.